to fix my computer icon missing problem. Right-click on the blank area in your desktop. Now, from these options, click the last one, Personalize. Then, this window will open. In this window, on the left pane, click on Themes. Then, on the right side, locate the option Desktop Icon Settings. In this window, put check mark towards the option Computer. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now, you have done it. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by TechB. Please like this video. And let us know your experience with this video by commenting below. Please subscribe this channel for the latest updates.